trial reel is one great feature on Instagram where they can blast your reel to people that are not in your follower list. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the trial reels on Instagram. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight to my Instagram account and let me show you how you can create trial reel. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app. So just to show you quickly, click on bottom right. I only have 376 followers, but I can post trial reels already. So how do you post trial reels? So like how you normally create reels, just click on the plus icon at the top left, click on that. So you can go to reels. So I have a few reels. Some of them I posted a few days ago. So I got this 7-second clip that I want to try on trial reel. Click on next. So let me do on the audio part. So you pick the music that you want to put in. So I'll just click on next. Put in a caption. Let's help each other grow. Okay. Alright. And then you see here, there's a trial there. In feeds and reels, you will reel only show to non-followers. So click on that. You're also sharing on Facebook and Threads. Got it? Alright, so once you're done, you check everything is okay, all good. Then you just click share. Where do you find your trial reels? Just wait a minute while I share these trial reels. Okay, so this trial reels is being shared. So where do you find it? You go to your profile at the bottom right, and then you can go to the reel icon here, and then you can see here the trial reels. There's a part where there are trial reels. Just click on it, and then you can see the trial reels that has been posted. Alright, another place you can find our trial reels is just go to the top right, the burger icon. Okay, then you go to insights. And then you can see here trial reels. Click on that. Then you can see the list of your trial reels. So trial reels will take 24 hours for you to see the results. So let's just put it there and wait and see. So yeah, so that's how easily you can create trial reels and where you can find it. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Instagram tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and happy doing trial reels. See you soon. Bye.